and corrected.
State President kaseng BJP ubah Ernest Mauri mentakas ngi urupan tip bakaseng kan sapelaj ya ketup kerteng jongki kertong hapok ke arterik ubnai rempang. Habis keren berkinong thok kubor hadian kejeng lang jong ke State Election Committee ubah Mauri ulang ba kiladap penbiang lepai ketup kerteng bat en sapa anok shen syadali. Kat kum ubah Mauri kejeng lang jong ke Central Parliamentary Committee kan lang akalai puai terik ukala lengkot ban shimrai bakhaduk halot ki kerteng jong keseng nagabenta kini ke election banwan saking dorbar thawaan kejelah. Ulo angru bakin sekerpat ya kaseng BJP kebelam kumat apa keri ben pelaj no kam kloi kerteng jongki kertong ki ban yakun na kaseng.
So we have prepared the list today. We are going to send to Delhi immediately, and within the 2nd of February, we are going to declare the ticket. So we will send all the name to Delhi, and the Central Parliamentary Board Committee, they will decide the final name of the candidate.